Hi, happy Thursday, kindergartners. I can't believe this is your last week of kindergarten, and then you will be officially first graders. That is so super exciting. And because you're closer to being a first grader than a kindergartner, we are going to go over, because this is what I do with my first and second graders when we start a math lesson. We start learning all about the 8 mathematical practices. So instead of saying we think, act, and talk like a mathematician, we actually go over the 8 mathematical practices. So that's what you and I are going to do today to start. So number 1, mathematicians keep trying. Number 2, mathematicians think about math. We already know that one because that's one of our expectations. Number 3, mathematicians talk about math. Oh my gosh, we think, act, and talk like a mathematician. Number 4, mathematicians model math. Number 5, mathematicians use math tools. We'll be modeling math. We'll also be using math tools. Oh, number 6, this is so important. Mathematicians check your work. We make mistakes all the time. That's why we have to go back and check our work. Number 7, mathematicians look for patterns. We've been looking for patterns with our combinations to 5. And when we're counting, there's patterns in the way that numbers go. And last but not least, number 8, mathematicians look for shortcuts. And first graders already know that a mathematician is a person who studies numbers and shapes. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do some short forward number word sequences. The first one we're going to do to get our brain warmed up is we're going to start at 28 and stop when we get to 34. Ready, go. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. This time, start from 44 and count up to 52. Ready, go. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. This time, we're going to start from 65 and count up to 73. Go. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. And our last short forward number word sequence is we're going to start at 88 and count up to 96. Got 88 locked in? Ready, go. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Ooh, nicely done, my kindergartners. And as always, we are going to do some backwards counting. And again, we're going to stretch ourselves a little bit. Today, let's start at 39 and count back down to 25. I know we can do it. So get 39 locked in your brain and counting back down to 25. So 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Oh, I better know what number comes before 30. Got it. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Ooh, pat, pat, pat on the back, back, back. Now, today, I'm going to show you some 10 frames. And this time, there will be a dot in every one of the squares in the 10 frame. So in my question, I ask how many dots, it will always be 10. But my dots, some of the dots are purple and some of the dots are yellow. So I'm going to ask how many are purple and how many are yellow. So this one will be really easy. How many dots? 10. How many are purple? How many are yellow? See, I think it's 10 purple and 0 yellow. Okay, here comes our next one. How many dots? 10. How many were purple? How many were yellow? Okay, so we know it's 10. This time I have 9 purple dots and 1 yellow dot. Oh, but I've got 10 all together. Oh, another way to visualize combinations of 10. Okay, here comes our next one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? Let's check. So we know we had 10 altogether. Ooh, I see a 4 and what's 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4, oh, well that equals 8. 8 are purple. How many were yellow? 2. Oh, Mrs. Foster, I'm working with those pairwise 10 frames where they fill up from top to bottom, top to bottom. So here comes our next one. How many dots? 10. How many were purple? How many were yellow? Okay, so let's check. So we know there were 10 dots, 7 were purple, and 3 were yellow. Just another way for your brain to see 7 and 3 go together. Okay, here comes our next one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? Let's check. Oh, I see 6 purple dots and 4 yellow dots. Comes our next one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? Okay, so this one always cracks me up with kindergartners because you're so used to seeing 5 with the same color all in the top row, but that's not the only way that 5 can look like. So here I've got 5 purple dots and I have 5 yellow dots. So again, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here comes our next one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? So there were 10. Oh, but this time there were 4 purple dots and 6 yellow dots. Let's see if I can not mess up with this. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? Let's look. So we know I have 10. Oh, I've got 3 purple and 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow. Okay, here comes this next one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? We know there's 10. Gosh, real easy to see. How many were purple? 2. How many were yellow? I'm going to count them by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 were yellow. Okay, here we go. How many dots? How many were purple? And how many were yellow? Okay, let's check. This time there were, same thing, 10 dots. 1 was purple, 9 were yellow. Okay, and then this last one. How many dots? How many were purple? How many were yellow? All right, let's double check. So how many dots? 10. How many were purple? 0. How many were yellow? 10. So those are looking at, we call these pairwise 10 frames with all the 10 frames filled. Oh, nice job. Give yourself a pat, pat, pat on the back, just putting my materials together. Okie dokie, my friends. The next thing that we're going to do is I have got some team numbers here. So you would need to make yourself a set of teen cards with the numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And if you wanted to, you could include 20. I didn't. And if you had them, you would get some popsicle sticks, and 10 popsicle sticks would be a bundle, and then you would just need 10 other loose popsicle sticks. So we're going to be reading our teen numbers and then building them with bundles and sticks. But don't worry, you can also draw to represent what the teen number means too. So I'm going to go ahead and put my computer over here. So here's my first number. What's my first number? Oh, 13. And when you are in first grade and I say, get me 13 sticks, I don't want you getting me 13 loose sticks. I want you to think, oh, well, I remember 13 is 10 ones and 3 ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's what 13 looks like with bundles and sticks. 1 bundle and 3 sticks. Now, if I didn't have my bundles and sticks, I could just draw. Could just this. That looks like 1 bundle. And then I could just do 11, 12, 13. I could draw 3 dots. And then also, why don't I go ahead and practice writing the number 13. So look, this is what the number 13 looks like. This is what the number 13 means with bundles and sticks. And this is what the number 13 means if I use drawings. Nicely done. And I'm going to go ahead and erase, and we'll go to our next number. Okay. Oh, what number's this? Yeah, it is an 11. Oh, but oh my goodness. This one means something different than this one. So I've got my bundles and I've got my sticks. I'll kind of put them over here. Kindergartners, please get me 11 sticks. I know that bundle is 10 ones, 10, 11. So 11 is 1 bundle and 1 stick. So again, if I didn't have bundles and sticks, I could just draw. Because I'm going to use pictures. Here's a bundle and here's a stick. Oh, and I'm even going to practice writing the number 11. Because I love to practice writing the numbers. So again, here we have is 11. I'm just going to do 1 more of these, and then I think you have the idea of how you would do this game at your house. Okay, so I've got my, let's see what my next number is. What number? Oh, 18. Okay, and with mathematicians, we're taking a shortcut. Please get me 18 sticks. Let's see. Okay, so I know this is 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, so 18, that 1 is 1 bundle, and then this 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 18. So I could draw that if I didn't have the bundles and sticks. I'm going to just draw 1 bundle here. And then I know that I see in my 8, I'm going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of want these to be organized. This is the number 18. And then I'm going to write it. So my kindergarten friends, oh my gosh, I can't believe we've already run out of time. So to practice reading, building, and drawing your teen numbers. Have a great summer, love bugs. I'll see you as big first graders. Put your hand on top. 1, 2, 3. Math is cool and tigers rule. Break.